Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new codes that are in the mini dress to compress update. So I'm just going to go to the code section over here. Let me just get it and copy and paste it. So the first one is B plays Dolly. This is how they spell it. Select redeem and you get this really cute doll. Click to close. And for the second one, we have 4 billion redeem, and you get this like really cute set. I think this is what they use to replace the Medaka set. I don't know though. Maybe it's still being reworked. I don't know. And lastly, we have this code, which is MEGANPLAYSBOOTS, and you get these cute cowboy boots. I will link all of the codes in the description box down below. But if I go here and press E and go to codes and go down here, you'll see that all of it is here. So I'm just going to wear them all just to show you guys the new codes. You can also toggle the dolls, which is pretty cute. And for the top, they also have toggles here. No sleeves, no collar. I think this is the item that like replace the Medaka set. They also have the like no layer one, and for the boots they have glitter or like matte here. You can also choose leather, supports pattern, and they have the rhinestone one, and we also have like the long boots here. And those are the new codes on the latest Dress to Impress update. I will put them all in the description box down below. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.